This is MentorShelly, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. Guys, guess what today is? Friday. All right, listen. I want you guys to be happy. I want you guys to be content. Not just in regular life situations, but also in your career. How can you be happy if you are doing something you don't want to do? I want to help you get there. You see, the people such as, prime example, Richard Branson, other leaders, thought leaders, and not motivational, but inspirational. I wouldn't say inspirational or transformational speakers like Lisa Nichols. They're doing what they love, so it doesn't feel like work for them. Of course, guys, I have to keep my eye on the road because I'm driving. But are you doing what you truly love? Have you discovered that yet? Part of what I do with you guys here on YouTube or on Instagram or IGTV, depending on where you're watching this, or my blog, is something I love to do. It comes to me naturally. And it took a while for me to kind of figure that out. But there are tools to help you figure out what you really want to do with your career. Funky Dineva did a video the other day and has a career assessment test, talking about the fact that you can figure out what it is that you want to do or what aligns with your personality or what's true to you. I'm going to put the link for that particular video for that career test below. And I actually did it, and it pretty much lines up with what I'm doing with you guys here as a career coach. So, go figure. And I want you guys to figure out what it is you want to do. You can definitely use the career test as one way. And then, of course, I have a free resource, which is not going to be free for much longer, that you can use. You can go to MentorShelly.com/DCG to start that process. And what we'll do, if you're really wanting to know, once you do those two assessments, we'll take the results from that assessment, and then we can definitely work together one-on-one by you going to MentorShelly.com/services/career strategy, for us to work together to put a written strategy together for you to achieve the dream career. It's not, when I say dream career, it means that this is something you deeply desire, you want to do, as long as it's legal. As specified, it's legal. There's some things people want to do that's not legal. Let's make sure we put that in there. That's legal, it's ethical, that kind of stuff. But yeah, that you truly desire to do that you're not doing now, and you want to make that transition. But transition takes very specific planning and action steps. It's not going to happen by accident. It is going to happen when you purposefully put all of those pieces together to work for you in your career. And I definitely help you do that. You can definitely start by doing the career test assessment, which is going to be at the bottom of the video. And of course, you can use that information to also use my resource at MentorShelly.com/DCG, which is the Dream Career Guide. Right now it's free. It will not be very soon. And of course, you want to go more in depth. Once you have that information, you're equipped with maybe say 2 of the 3 types of career fields that you want to achieve. You definitely want to, work with me to get that actual written strategy together. Then you can go to MentorShelly.com/services/career strategy to narrow that down. Guys, I'm here to make sure that if you're going to be working 8 to 9 to 10 to 16 hours a day, make sure you're doing something you love. And if you don't, make that transition so you can take care of your responsibilities and do what you love, so it doesn't feel like work. And And of course, guys, if you have questions about, just general career questions, or if you want to make suggestions about other videos or video topics, career, in this career and job interview space and things of that nature, you can either leave me a comment below the video, or you can go to MentorShelly.com/contact to leave those suggestions or ask your questions. All right, guys, take care. You have a good one and enjoy the Friday. All right, guys, you have a good one. Bye.